Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will do compare of these two bikes. One is Voyager Radius Pro, another is Jetson Haze. It's a new bike, both of them foldable. The difference is the price and the speed and the motor and some other aspect. You'll see they look about the same, but they're a little bit different. That's why I want to do the compare, so you can decide. Both of them was sold on Costco website, and I paid $500 for the Voyager and $650 for Haze online. In the store it might be cheaper. I will also put link in description directly to Voyager. I'm not sure if they're still available or not. You can check it, and they should be like 15% off on this bike as well. So let's talk about these two bikes. So Voyager 450 motor, the Jetson Haze is 350. The speed maximum with Voyager is 25 miles. With Haze it's about up to 16 miles out of the box, okay, without speed hogs, just out of the box. 500, 650. Maximum weight, a rider can be up to 265 with both of the bikes, and I'll show you the measurement as well on these bikes. Both of them have the same size wheels, 16-inch. The Voyager have only rear brakes, no front brakes, but it's not a problem. The Haze comes with a dual brake system, so front 160mm and rear. With Voyager only the rear, which is looks like bad if you're going on the top speed 25 miles an hour. It's very hard to brake sometimes, mostly when you're going down the hills. You can check the video I made just recently going testing the video, and when I was going down hills it's almost losing the brake, so you cannot really brake with this bike when you're going down hills. So install the front brakes, it's all possible. And you can click comment below if you want me to install one, because I'm not sure if they will continue to sell them at Costco or they discontinue them. So I'll wait, and if they come back I might make a video how to install it. To install extra brake will cost you between $25 to $50, I think. Okay, so it's not a really big deal on the money you're gonna save on the price. About $150 cheaper bike. About the light, both of them come with a front light, and both of them attached to the frame, and they also come with a rear light. And you can see in this video how bright the light is, and you decide which one is better, because you can see it clearly who is winning with a night light, like tail light, front light. Okay, and both of them fully foldable. The frame foldable on the Voyager, same thing with the Haze, so there's not much difference. The biggest difference is the battery on Haze can be removed and charged out of the bike, so you can take it home and charge it. With Voyager it's built in. I would assume the battery is somewhere around here, so you cannot really remove it every time you want to charge it, but it can be replaced most likely. And you just unscrew a few screws over here and remove this rack, and the battery is easily accessed to it. And as you can see, the Voyager already installed the rack, so if you're looking for the rack you have to buy extra, to spend extra money and search for the rack to attach, most likely only to post seat. With Voyager already pre-installed. Big plus, the handlebar, they are different. The Voyager have 19-inch wide, with Haze it's about 20.5, so it's a little bit wider, so more comfortable to ride. And about the Voyager, you just turn it on, press the button. It does come with display, which is very useful. You can see the battery, how much charge, and also you can see the trip, and you can see what the speed you're going to. and this bike can go up to 25 miles an hour, and it comes with a half throttle, which is much better. And you can see the first speed would go up to about 11 miles, and you can switch the speeds right here. And let's see, on the speed number level 3, it will go up to 24.6 miles an hour, which is pretty quick for this little bike out of the box. And as you can see, light. With Haze, you got 3 modes, 1, 2, 3, power button, and you got this battery display, and to turn on and turn off light over here. And I believe this bike comes with cruise control. I never use it, so I'm not 100% sure if it does have it. If it does, you just press the button and turn the throttle while you're riding the bike. But no display, no speed information, nothing. And to turn the light on, you would have to press this button and hold it for like 5 seconds. And once it's on, you'll see on the back and the front. With the Voyager, it's pretty simple to turn the light on. You just twist this on and off. Also, it comes with a nice horn, as you can hear. And actually, the Haze came with a bell, which was defected, and I already threw it away, so there's no bell. Also, the Haze comes with a full throttle, okay? And many people wonder about seats, because every time they buy like mini bikes, they change the seats. With Haze, most likely you want to change the seat because it's a little bit tougher. It's not that soft, it's more firmer. With Voyager, it's already soft, nice seat with some ventilation. So it's better seats, and it does comes with a rear light, as I said before. As you can see, the difference in the seat. It's a little bit even thicker. So you get better seat with the Voyager. The pedals. With Haze, you got a foldable pedal, half aluminum, half plastic, easy to fold it. You just push this one and fold it. With Voyager, it comes to large pedals, which is great for everyday riding. So it's better grip and full size pedals, but you cannot fold it. And if you want foldable, you can buy it. It's like 10 to 20 bucks, easy. Also, you could notice that Voyager comes with suspension, front suspension, but Haze has no suspension at all. And it actually works. It does give you a little bit softer ride, and on bumpy road it helps you. So the Voyager already have not only rear suspension, but front suspension as well. As a quality suspension, you can see the shock absorber, it says. I would say they're about the same, as they are located and designed differently. As you can see, the different pressure. So I think the Haze has a little bit better suspension type and maybe better quality, looks like, and a little bit adjustable as well. The Voyager does have some adjuster. You can do some adjustment over here, I think, also to turn it in or out. But just from the size, looks like Haze has a little bit bigger suspension. Both of them is just basic one, so it's not something like really give you extra value to the bike, but it give you a little bit softer ride, I can say. And the wheelbase are the same, 39-inch from tire to tire. Same thing with the Voyager, so it's about the same. Okay, so I'll give you a measurement of the handlebar, how tall the handlebar is from the ground. It's Haze, it has 41 inches off the ground, and the Voyager is 42 inches. So it's a little bit taller. You can see it right away. Actually, from the distance, yeah, it's about 1 inch taller. Okay, and the seat post, let's see how tall it can go, how high it can go. It's 34 inches with the Haze, and the Voyager 34 inches as well. So the seat's about the same, but handlebar a bit better with the Voyager, so it will be more comfortable to ride it. And now I want to see how low the seats can go on both of the bikes. So this one is the lowest, okay, and it's up to 31 inch off the ground, and the Haze. And Haze has a stopper over here, so you cannot really go any low. It's 31 inch as well, so it would be about the same. The lowest part of the frame of the ground, the step over, will be about 17 inch with Voyager, when with Haze would be a little bit above 18 inch. Okay, so the lowest part over here it's 18 inch, with Voyager is 17, so it's a little bit easier gonna be step over for Voyager riders. Okay, about the cable management, you can see it's going from everything, going from the handlebar, going inside the frame over here. With Haze, you just stick outside. You can probably use a zip tie and tighten up here, but I'm not sure why they made this way. And as I said before, the motors are big difference. This one is 350 watt and this one 450, and you can really see the difference in size. Voyager going up to 25 miles, this one only 16, and maybe you can make it faster, but again, the Voyager have bigger motor, and Voyager come with a handle. You can carry the bike upstairs if you need to. The Haze does not have any handlebar to carry the bike. The difference in weight as well. Haze weight 48 pounds, the Voyager like up to 52 pounds. Most likely because it has a little bit bigger motor. The battery actually the same. The battery size in this bike's 48 watt by 7.5 amp, so it's 360 hours, exactly the same watt hours for both bikes, so the weight about the same should be, but it does come with a rack which might add up another pound most likely. Also, as you can see, the wheels has a little bit more metal in it, so maybe the wheels are a bit more heavy. I'm not sure, but it's only a few pounds difference, not big deal at all. And the price $150 difference as well. So you guys decide. From my experience, I notice the Haze have better quality, because you might notice already the Voyager came already defected out of the box. This axle, the front axle was short, so the thread was damaged, so I have to install my own temporary, and it does not look too good, but I can always cut it. It's not big deal, or you can buy the new one, or they can send you replacement. They are providing 1 year warranty from Voyager, and they will send you just brand new bike. You send them the old one, the defected, and they'll send you the new bike. Most likely with Jetson, about the same 1 year warranty. And if you buy from Costco, you can return them at any time. Costco has a great policy return. And that's how they look. And both of them come with fenders, front and rear, as you can see. I just want to show you the difference, so you can see which one you like more. And here's how they look when you fold them. Both of them about the same size. I noticed like to fold Haze a little bit much easier. Also the Haze comes with a magnet over here, so it will not really open. It's very strong magnet. Both of them about the same size, as you can see. There's no much difference at all. Both of them have a protection over here. With Voyager have metal one, with Haze have a rubber one. So both of them have protection, so it will not damage crank, and looks good. I don't see any difference in size, as you can see. Both of them are great affordable bikes, and you decide if you want more speed or if you want better quality. I think the Haze has better quality materials and design, more solid bike, and Voyager much faster bike, but you cannot remove the battery. The battery installed over here, easy to remove with a key. Also the Haze comes with a lock over here. You can check video in description. I have full video for the Haze unboxing and all the information you want to learn about it and riding experience. Same thing for the Voyager. I will put these two links in description so you can see my speed test, also riding experience, and I did a test uphill Voyager and downhill test, and you can see it. I'm not planning probably to test the Jetson Haze uphill because it should be about the same as Jetson Ball Pro. There should be no power to go uphill unless you pedal a lot, so I don't think it's good for uphill at all. But Voyager was doing okay, but again, it's a mini bike, it's not as powerful for uphill. So if you live in San Francisco, you might consider more powerful bike. I'm 5'11". Riding these bikes are not really 100% comfortable, but it's rideable if you want to ride it. I would not recommend anybody taller to ride as a bicycle. As a scooter it should be fine, but as a bicycle will be not as comfortable to pedal it much. As you can see, with even Haze bike, my feet will never be straightened out, but I noticed this pedal a little bit further up versus to Voyager. It's almost under the seat, so it's even less comfortable to pedal it. And also on the higher speed you won't be able to pedal. It will be like ghost pedaling if you're going 25 miles per hour. But you can see as well my feet even more bended because it's right under the seat, and it's barely touching the handlebar. But again, I would not recommend this bike for taller people unless you're gonna use them mostly as a scooter. But if you're under 5'11", it's a great bike for commuting. And you guys decide which one you like the more. Comment below, like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I hope you like it. And whichever bike you choose, I hope you enjoy the ride. Always wear a helmet, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.